It's a pleasure to host this felicitation program of our friends. The first step towards success is appreciation. Today, we all are here to appreciate all the hard works and efforts of our friends who have cracked the interviews.
On this auspicious day, we have a charming personality with us, that is Dr. Rajesh Pawar. I request Shubhangi to kindly brief us about our guest.
Good afternoon everyone. Dr. Rajesh Pawar sir is a professor and head of Department of Polytechnic Surgery, Plastic Surgery in the Keele University. Sir was born in 11 June 1968 and he finished his education in the year 1996. He has achieved a leading Keele's Smile Train project under which almost 9,000 surgeries has been performed. He also started Keele's Rotary Skin Bank and also achieved the best outgoing student of Jawaharlal Nehru Medical College, Belgaum for the year 1990. We are pleasure to have you here, sir. Thank you.
We have basically two job profiles. One is UK27 The Firm, another one is DG Buddy in Bangalore International Airport Limited. I will just brief about the first job profile, that is UK27. UK27 The Firm is an Ecotel hotel which is located in Belgaum. It is a 5-star hotel. It is a smart, efficient business hotel with 90 rooms. It has a world cuisine restaurant and lot more facilities. 3 of our girls have been selected as hotel hostess. What does a hotel hostess do? Their main job is to welcome and greet guests and to check in the guests in their respected room. The main success of a hotel is Dalal, a girl from Khanapur who put in lots of efforts and hard work to achieve this position. She is very sensitive and fun-loving person. I request Ms. Shravani Dalal to kindly come forward. I request everyone to kindly give a round of applause. The second one is Roja Stanley, a girl who confidently hit the ramp and amazed everyone with her efforts. Unfortunately, she is not here today. The third person is Kausar Banu Sindhi, a girl from Dandeli who constantly put efforts to improve her communication has achieved this position right now. Even she is not here today. The second job profile is F&B department in UK27 The Firm. The food and beverage industry represents a huge sector of service within the hospitality industry that includes preparing, presenting and serving food and beverages to the customers on premises or off premises. We are lucky to have a second batch student selected for this job profile. A boy who got selected before even getting the APTEC uniform. I request Mr. Sairaj Virje to kindly come forward and have a seat. The next job profile is DG Buddy in Bangalore International Airport Limited. We are happy to announce that 5 of our students have cracked the interview and have been selected for the post of Customer Service Executive. A customer service executive manages customer concerns with the objective of maintaining positive customer relationships with an organization. They interact directly with customers to listen to concerns, resolve problems, and recommend products and services according to the needs of each individual. We have 5 students who have been selected for this post. The first one is Mr. Rehan Talikoti, a person who has been awarded as the title winner of Mr. APTEC and is also known for Mr. Fresher. Please have a seat, Rehan. The second person is Mr. Nikhil Nilakari, a very sweet and nice guy. He is always into his own world but always supportive and has a very friendly nature. nature. I request Nikhil to kindly come forward. The third one, the only girl, Miss Purvi Naik. I request Purvi to kindly come forward. She is a very confident girl, a brilliant girl, and she is always focused towards her career. The next person is Mr. Om Gauri. I request Om to kindly come forward and have a seat. He is always known for his well grooming. The last person is Mr. Akash, our senior. I request him to kindly come forward. Thank you, everyone.
Sir and everyone present over here. It's a great day for me today to stand before you and speak a few words on Aptic family.
Don't cry. Why? You are an achiever. You achieved something.
Starting from the first day, I never knew that I would be recruited in UK 27 the firm as a hostess in F&B department. This was the possible because of all Mr. Vinod sir and all the faculty members who have put lots of efforts in us. Talking about my Aptic journey, the days spent in Aptic are the golden days of my life, which I never forget. The faculties over here are so supportive and help us to build our career in this industry. I would like to speak little about Mr. Vinod Bamne sir. He has motivated us a lot and he has built confidence in us. He is support system of all of us and he is the second father of us. Lastly, I would like to talk about the best part of my Aptic. The reasons who have made my journey in Aptic memorable are my friends. It all started with a group of 5 and ended with a group of 9. They are Natasha, Shruti, Khushi, Rosa, Kiran, Prathamesh, Sairaj and Om. I will really miss them, but I promise to be in touch with them. We have shared lots of memories together, like taking punishments together, roaming in the markets together, coaching take-off session together, home visits together, passport applications together, speaking Marathi together and getting shoutings from all the faculty members. This was the most amazing day in Aptic. Lastly, I would like to conclude by saying that Aptic is the most beautiful chapter of mine. With these few words, I conclude my speech. Thank you everyone.
I am really very happy to stand here and speak before you. The reason of my selection is Vinod sir, his efforts. I am lucky and blessed to be a part of the Aptic. I thank all my dear friends who have supported me a lot and made me a Aptic journey memorable. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Okay, so it's a very proud moment for my parents and a very happy moment for me here. First of all, I am very happy that my picture is, in front of a Aptic banner, and even my parents are feeling proud for me. And do you all remember that when I was fresher, and there were 3 children sitting, Mizan, Kudusia and Bhavna. And I have said that one day I will be in that chair itself. And that day has come today, sir. And I have proved that my aim was to be a crew. But I thought that starting from a small work, I will get a great success in my further coming life. So it was a sudden moment on Thursday when Vinod sir informed me that there is an interview at Bangalore at DG Buddy Profile. Are you interested? He asked me. Then I said, sir, I want to, ask my parents, take their permission, and then I'll inform you. So when I called my father was out somewhere, and he attended the call. And I said him that this is the job profile, daddy, and I want to go Bangalore. I'm interested. I'll try once. I'll experience at least. I don't know whether I'll get selected or rejected, no matter. But at least I'll get the experience how the interviewer will ask the question. Then my father and mother both they agreed, and I said, Vinod sir, that I am ready to go. Then he said, resume is also ready. Then you get prepared, get ready by night. So on Thursday at night, 9 o'clock, we left sir, and morning, the timing was around 6 o'clock to reach, but we reached around 8 o'clock. And it was like, fully, we have to do quickly. It was around 11:30 at the Matthew Global Service, which was near, Vaishnavi building. And there we got time, sir, because it was very hard to find the location. And the people surround that area, no one knows where the location was exact. Whoever we ask, where is the Vaishnavi building? Nange gottilla amma. Nange gottilla sir. They would say like that. Then it was already 11:30 and Divya ma'am, I guess, she was texting me in WhatsApp, are you coming today or no? Then I said, ma'am, we had some issue regarding the location. We are not finding the location and all. So I am on the way, ma'am, I am coming. So when I got the location and as I reached, I was literally shocked. Because there was Om, Rehan, Umed. So according to my knowledge, we were three going, Mahesh, I and Nikhil. But there were some more students along with me. Then first was the Om, who went for the interview. Yes, yeah. He went and attended the interview. He said, okay, they asked me creative introduction. It was easy. Nikhil also said it was very easy. I attended with full of confidence, with smile and all. I was happy. Then when Rehan went and when he came out after the interview, he was like little bit of nervous. Then I thought,
ಖುಷಿಯಿಂದ ಏನು ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಕಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಭಾಳ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇದೇ ಒಂದೇ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಅನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನನಗೆ. ವಿದೌಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್, ವಿದೌಟ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಅಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ. ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಯಾರು ನೋಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾವುದೇ ನಾವು ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ. ವಿದೌಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್, ವಿದೌಟ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಏನು ಜಾಬ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ಬಹಳ ಖುಷಿ ವಿಷಯ. ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಟೆಕ್ ಏವಿಯೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಗಳು ಪೂರ್ವಿ ಕಲಿತು ಈ ಮಟ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದು ಅವಳು ಸಂದರ್ಶನವನ್ನು ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾಗ ಬಹಳ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇದು ವಿನೋದ್ ಸರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಅಪ್ಟೆಕ್ ಕಮಿಟಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಶ್ರೇಯಿಸ್ತೀನಿ.
Stand with your father, some come cross. Very, very happy and good. Because ಯಾವ ಥರ ಇದ್ರು ಅವಳು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಬಂದಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತು ಇವಾಗ ಏನು ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾವೆ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು.
ಹೌದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಟೆಕ್ ಏವಿಯೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಬಹಳ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ಸನ್ನು ಕಂಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಮೊದಲು ಹೆಂಗಿದ್ರು ಅವಳು, ಈಗ ಹೆಂಗಿದ್ರ, ಯಾರ ಹತ್ರ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಕು, ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಮುಂದಿನವನಿಗೆ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಮತ್ತು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಕನ್ವಿನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನನಗೆ ಬಹಳ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ವಿಷಯ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲಿತು ಈ ಮಟ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಳು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಬಹಳ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಯ ಪಾಲಕರಿಗೆ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಯಾರು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಕಲಿಸಿಲ್ಲ ಅವರು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ ಮುಂದೆ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು ಅನಿಸ್ತದೆ. ಬೇರೆ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ಗಿಂತ ಈ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಮತ್ತು ಕಡಿಮೆ ವಯಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಕಲಿತು ಮುಂದೆ ಬಂದು ಅವರವರ ಕಾಲ ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಂತು ಅವರು ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗಬಹುದು ನನಗೆ ಅನಿಸ್ತದೆ.
Actually, it was a funny scene. Nikhil was sitting there. I think so on the second bench he was sitting, and then I just entered the room and I saw him. When I saw him, I was full of shock. Like, what kind of guy this is? Like, he was full. Like, what we can say, he had got full beard on his face. Yes. Yes, huge beard, and that time when I saw, and then I have talked, and then I have spoken with him, like, where are you from? We are from Andhra, and all that happened. And then I have asked him why you have left that much beard on your face. Rules are not applicable to you, I have asked him, but he was like, this is my first day. From tomorrow I will start it, and. When I want to share one experience that me and Vinod sir have faced. I was doing anchoring once. I remember that day. I was doing anchoring here. I was totally shivering and getting nervous. Still you can see I'm doing that. And sir was motivating me, constantly was motivating me from behind that. Rehan, you can do it. Why you are shivering like that? We are there with you. He was totally motivating me from behind. And I was awarded as a Mr. Fresher on the first day, on the Freshers Day, by looking at the performance and all. And we have done even many airport visits, we have done many concerts and dance programs in airport. And Mr. Rajesh Moria sir is awarded as the best institute in. So first was the Om who was first taken interview, and he was like. इंटरव्यू अच्छा था रे. हाँ ये वो क्या इजी क्वेश्चंस पूछे, सर ने जो सिखाया था वही है, like that. And second was Nikhil, and he was I have given my great introduction, and I became totally nervous. What type of questions they are asking? Is the interview so easy? I was confused, and I then went inside, and there were two interviewers, one male and one female. First they took my introduction. So then let's get started. Let's see what all qualities you have. Then I told them first I will start with my introduction, sir. So I given my introduction, and then they started asking me questions. Then they told, share your journey from LKG to 10th standard. What all you have done? They told, and I have shared that. And they asked me a silly question. Or do you have a girlfriend? They asked me. Yes. Then I told no sir, nothing like that. I'm single. And the same question was asked to Nikhil also. And Nikhil was like, sir, I'm sure the single is sir. So this was that much news. Thank you.
So first of all, I will talk about my tech journey. And I remember my first day. I came here and I feel one form. Anand sir took my interview, and Anand sir was asking me questions in English. I was little nervous because I'm very nervous because I'm from vernacular medium. I don't know English. I was saying them, but sir told you can improve. I will teach you. Don't be hesitate. You जब भी तेरे कोई help लगेगा तो मैं रहता हूँ. Then after first day, Vinod sir has came in class. Sir told give your introduction. I was give them, but बहुत नर्वस था मैं. मतलब पता नहीं था कि कैसा इंट्रोडक्शन देना है. इंट्रोडक्शन का मतलब भी नहीं मेरे को पता था कि इधर आने के बाद बहुत कुछ सीखा है मैंने. एंड थैंक यू सर फॉर बीइंग विद अस. एंड नाउ I would like to talk about our MD, and he is not MD for me, he is role model for me, mentor, coach, and I am so very happy today. I couldn't repeat this 100 times, and all the staff for being with us, and thank you Prakash sir. In this journey, I faced a lot of difficulties, and in this journey, many ups and downs had came. I faced them, and whenever I was having drop time, difficulties time I having, where I used to asking myself, boss, you have to do it, and why me? What happened sitting here and crying about your complaining? Why me? I have to work hard and I have to push more than 100% to achieve no matter what happen. Even if I'm tired, I have to give 100% because that overall learned in period time. Yeah, it was a really great experience. I learned many things in Aptech, and I would like to talk about my interview. We all are went in Bangalore. Me, Nikhil, Purvi, Rihan, Akash, and all. I was went there and I sat. I was thinking, कब होगा यार मेरा selection? I was like, and but finally she ma'am had came and told me I will. Result I will give the results with to Mr. MD and Vinod sir has called me you have you got selected you and Rihan. I was fully happy. I couldn't repeat this 100 times. So yeah, and she was that HR ma'am was asking me why you are dimple so much cute. I was like fully जो बोलते हैं ना मेल्ट हुआ था. Same question she was asked to Nikhil, do you have a girlfriend? Nikhil told that Rihan before told me that I am single, should be single. He told me should be single. And I would like to say congratulations to Nikhil, my brother, my best friend. He is so cute and also to Kushi, Pratiksha and all, and also Natasha Bedokar and Natasha Patil. Thank you for being with us. Thank you.
First of all, I am a student from Aptech. After completion Aptech course, I didn't flash any what I am doing, and I am simply sitting and wasting my time in my home. And my parents are also get felt he is not going to do anything job, and he is not going to settle in his life. And that one day it came today. So Thursday I was came here to meet to sir, and sir told me there is one job you want to go or not. And I said him, yes sir, I have interested, but I am proud of myself because this is my first interview, and I have first interview also passed. This is my one of the biggest achievement, and this is all of our respected MD Vinod sir supported, and he is one of the pillar of the Aptech, and he is the father of the Aptech. Can I say he is, and he supported me a lot, and I did lot of mistakes in this academy, and he is never leave our hand, and this is one of the great moment in my life. And at the time of going to interview, this is one of the, can I say, 39 hours, this is 39 hours rush hours, can I say, because I don't have time and preparing for interview purpose. I leave afternoon 3:30 p.m. and I reached at morning 4 o'clock. And interview is there at 10 or 11 p.m. and simply I didn't prepare anything. And it is I directly shocked you have selected because I didn't prepare anything. How are I going to select? And this is one of the problem for me. Thank you sir, and thank you Aptech. Thank you Aptech.
ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ರೀ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಾಳಜಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು ಸ್ವಂತ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿಗೂ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅಷ್ಟು ವಿನೋದ್ ಸರ್ ಅವರು ಕಾಳಜಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಏನೋ ಫಾಲ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ರು ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಹೀಗಾಗಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಕಮ್ಮಿನೇ. ನಾನು ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಬೆಟ್ಟ ಹಾಕಂತ ಬಂದಿದ್ನಿ, ಸರ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಐತ್ರಿ, ಮತ್ತು ಹೆಂಗಾರ ಮಾಡಿ ನೀವು ಅವ್ರಿದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಹಾಕಂತ ಹೇಳೋಣ, ಆಗಿಂದಾನೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಐತ್ರಿ, ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೇನೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಆಯ್ತು ಸರ್ ಹೆಂಗಾರ ಆಗತ್ರಿ ನಾವು ಕಳಿಸ್ತೇವೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ. ಆದರೂ ಇವ್ರು Aptech ಕಿತ್ತದಿಂದ ಭಾಳ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಭಾಳ ಚಲೋ ಇದೆ. ಯಾರೂ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡ್ರಿ, ಚಲೋ ತಗ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕರಿಯರ್ ಭಾಳ ಚಲೋ ಐತಿ. Aptech ಸರ್ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Good afternoon everyone. So I was really not knowing what to talk and feeling to cry. So first of all, I would like to thank my parents. Why? Because they have shown me a way of Aptech, and Vinod have shown me a way of success. Really, I am feeling very sad because I am going to miss you all. And one thing happily I would like one thing that happy news means I am going to work with my best friends in Bangalore International Airport. It was a very happy moment to me. And about day before yesterday only, Vinod sir called me in the morning, and Vinod sir asked me that have you sent your resume to me or not. Yes, I have sent you, and you have to leave today night by you have tomorrow morning interview. So I told I was really shocked. Tomorrow only interview, how I have to leave today night only. I was not at all prepared and all. And after that, sir told no, it's okay, you can go. And after I was really sure after going to Bangalore, and sir sent me a location where we have to go. As we all told that my friends and all went there, and HR has called inside and asked some questions as they told about the marital status and all. They asked me, how many girlfriends do you have? And I said that, sir, I don't have any girlfriend and all. First of all, I would like to thank my parents and Vinod Bombay sir, Jyoti ma'am, Kiran sir and Prakash sir, and also Anand sir, because they all have supported me a lot. Because of them, I am going to stand here. I am standing here. I never thought that I will be in this place. Even my parents not thought that I am going to be in this place. So it was a happy moment for me also, even to my parents and all the faculty members in Aptech. Literally, Aptech is one of the best academy in Belgaum. I have to tell that. Actually, whatever I am standing here and whatever I am confidently talking in front of you all, it's all just because of an Aptech and the support of an Vinod sir. I was not going to really, I would like to thanks a lot for Aptech and our mentor, our motivator, Vinod Bombay sir. It's for their results I am going to stand here, and as they told that still I have to grow more in this industry. It's my first step in this industry. I am sure that I am going to grow a lot in this industry, sir.
To all of you. At the outset, I must thank Vinod Bombay sir for having, even I am feeling like calling you sir, for inviting me here for this very nice, sweet function. This is something like celebration at home. I realized that the entire Aptech group is more like a family than teaching academy. What has gone, not all your students have gone through after joining here, and I see so much of sea change and so much of confidence, bubbling with confidence, the way Purvi spoke, the way Shravani became emotional. It shows how much of bonding is here and how much of positivity you get here, and this is very important. And you are all 9 of you all who have now stepped into a new life. All of you all will be, this is just one step. Learning is a lifelong process. We are still learning and will continue to learn till the last breath. So the first step that you all have taken by joining Aptech Academy was the best step, I feel. You all have been groomed to what you all are now, and you yourself and all your friends witness the changes amongst each other, from his bearded face to his clean shaven, dimples and whatnot, everything is seen here. So this is the first step, and now you all have gone a step ahead and stepped into a career. No job is small, no job is trivial. Each step, whatever we do, if we do with dedication and sincerity, it pays. Not everybody can be Abdul Kalam, not everybody can be Modi, but we all can be ourselves in the best way possible. We can improvise on ourselves, we compete with ourselves. This should be your motto. Now, talking about that, Vinodji told me that I should be talking about plastic surgery and a little bit of cosmetic surgery here. Somehow, after going through the function, I forgot that I was a plastic surgeon. So I don't know what to say here. I beg your pardon. I might try my best to speak whatever I can. Now, plastic surgery, all of you all must be thinking cosmetic. Plastic surgery is only cosmetic surgery. First, let me clear that. Plastic surgery is not only cosmetic surgery. Plastic surgery is a lot more than that. When I came to Belgaum, everybody was saying, why are you coming to Belgaum and settling? So, is there a scope for plastic surgery? That time I said that it's not cosmetic, there are so many things. We have people with deformities, defects, accidents, burns, children born with different deformities. All those need to be corrected, and that as plastic surgeons we are proud to be treating these patients. And I was the first plastic surgeon in Belgaum, and now we are around 7 plastic surgeons in Belgaum. We have grown, and that is solely because of all these reconstructive surgeries that we do. But from the industry that you all are from hospitality industry where you need to project yourselves. All of you all have to project the best in yourselves. And best in yourself doesn't mean that you are inherently very good looking or very intelligent. It is not that. But there is a thing in you, all of you, each of you, there is something which you all can project. And this projection is very important, how you project it. The way Purvi spoke with a smile was what needs to be said. The way Rehan spoke about himself or Om spoke about himself, all these are the way you all have projected. Even at the interview you all have projected yourselves. And this is very important. Why I am saying about this projection is, the first impression that anybody gets from you is something very important. The way you smile, the way you greet, the way you respond to the other person is very important, and that leaves a lasting impression for a long period of time. So you should make sure that this impression is good. And we as plastic surgeon or cosmetic surgeon help to a certain extent. There are things which might not be totally good in the way we look. We might be having a few scars, we might be having pimple marks, we might be having tattoos which suddenly draw attention, not necessarily good attention from people. People might suddenly see a tattoo, this is something striking. So this happens. Or they might see a scar, before even they talk to you, you might be excellent in your speech, you might be very intelligent, but these are the things that people pick up, and that's where we can help. Not a very good job according to me, but then we can help, and there are instances which can be done in a proper manner. Not that plastic surgery is magic. What you see in the TV serials, all of you have seen. Somebody, they want to change the actor, and then plastic surgeon comes in and he has done plastic surgery on his face and the face is changed. No, it doesn't happen like that. Plastic surgeries only can improvise things. Now TV serials are noted. Ekdam plastic surgery aagkule magic iddanga ಒಬ್ಬರಿಂದ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರು ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಫೇಸ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ ಹಂಗೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ प्लास्टिक सर्जरीनू त्यांना लिमिट्स असतात प्लास्टिक सर्जरीमध्ये काही लिमिटेशन्स असतात आणि थोडंफार आपण इम्प्रूव्ह करता येते जे देवाने दिलेलं आहे ते परत देऊ शकत नाही काही असू दे डॉक्टर म्हणजे पण माणूसच आहे आणि काही लिमिटेशन्स असतात आपल्यामध्ये आणि त्या लिमिटेशन्स प्रकारे आपण ट्रीटमेंट देऊन इम्प्रूव्हमेंट करू शकतो आणि हे सुद्धा हे तुम्हाला सगळ्यांना माहीत असायला पाहिजे लिमिटेशन्स आहेत आणि प्रत्येक ऑप्शनला बरेचसे रिझनला ऑप्शन्स आहेत तर स्कार असलं तर त्याला सर्जरीने करू शकतो त्याला मेकअपनी हाईड करू शकतो केमोफ्लेज करू शकतो if there are tattoos you can do laser you can do surgically excise it but the decision making is very important what you do for what that comes with certain amount of experience when we have treated 200-300 cases of this then we know so this will be better than this for you this will be not so good we can advise and accordingly the decision can be taken and that is the important part of decision making nowadays what has happened is lot of advertisement commercialism so what you see on the papers or the advertisements are not always what is right you have to go to right people qualified plastic surgeons and take that advice so they will be able to give you the best advice and tell you what is really good or bad don't get carried away by advertisements and newspapers and magazines so that's regarding if there are any queries any of you all can ask me right now if you all can ask I'm fine with it I'll be more than happy to answer are there any questions anybody having questions I'm taking this as a class I'm also a teacher I teach my students so this might be appearing like a class to you all if there are any questions feel free to ask me or if you all feel a little bit embarrassed now, you can always talk to me later. With that, I once again, and yes, Satidar and Sare faculty na, but I should be congratulating them and all of you all the best in your future career.
Thank you, sir.
Do the best, give the best that you have, and the best will come back to you. And all of you all who are sitting there, be prepared. You all are on to a journey of future which can be very great, can take you to heights. Whatever the smallest step is the first that can take you to the largest leap. With that, I thank once again for inviting me here. It was a pleasure to be with all of you all and share whatever I could. Thank you. Thank you.
Dignitaries on the dais, Dr. Rajesh Pawar, Valgam's well-known and the reputed doctor, you can say throughout India also, you can say the doctor who is very popular for plastic surgery and cosmetology. We are very lucky to have a special guest today and guest of honor for this function. So sir, heartily welcome for this function. I accepted the invitation and come all the way. So let me tell you something about Dr. Rajesh Pawar. इन्होंने इतना अच्छा मतलब इतना डेडिकेशन है उनका काम में किसी भी पेशेंट का अगर किसी भी डे नाइट ही वर्क्स ऑन द पेशेंट ओके एनीथिंग व्हाटएवर हैपेंस लाइक यू नो ही रिसेंटली किसी को कोलेजन भेजना था दिल्ली और इतना वो स्ट्रगल कर रहे थे रिसेंटली दैट स्पाइसजेट में एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर रहे थे सारी बहुत सारी मतलब प्रॉब्लम्स हो रही थी तो सर वी आर गुड फ्रेंड्स नाउ बिकॉज आई मेट हिम इन 2019 it was. My son born in 2007 and 9 it was. तो उसका ऐसे इंसिडेंट हो गया था my son has you know उसका जो स्मॉल फिंगर है कट हो गया था 2 टुकड़े हो गए थे एक बाथरूम में गिर गया था एक यहाँ पे था and literally she was shocked and she was fainted down. तो those days what happened I gone to all the doctors in Belgaum सबने बोला नहीं हो सकता कहीं पे भी नहीं चांसेस नहीं है तो फाइनली somebody suggested me to go to Dr. Rajesh Pawar and के लिए हम लोग गए तो सर ने इतना अच्छी तरह से काउंसलिंग किया और उसको मतलब बताया मतलब फिंगर को कनेक्ट किया उसको अभी लगता ही नहीं कोई भी नहीं पूछ सकता कि उसको फिंगर कट हुआ था उस वक्त सो दैट डेडिकेटेडली ही वर्क्स फॉर एवरी पेशेंट एंड फ्रॉम दैट दोज डेज going to his hospital and consulting him we became good friends and all the time I discuss about my students tattoo treatment, scar treatment, he keep on suggesting. And today आज ऐसा हो गया कि हमारे बच्चे इतने लकी हैं कि उनको हर चीज़ के बारे में जानकारी मिल गई. What is cosmetic surgery? Okay, and how the problem can be solved. He has given you solutions also. Scar treatment के लिए क्या कर सकते हैं उसको कैसे conceal भी कर सकते हैं. So 2 different things that explain about. Affordable है तो ये करो, permanent है तो ये करो. So this is mandatory and this is the industry what you chosen. आपने जो industry choose किया है इस industry के लिए अच्छा दिखना सबसे ज़रूरी है और अच्छे दिखने के लिए हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं Okay, only the doctor can suggest you and more than that our grooming trainers will explain you what is natural therapy, how you can look better every day. Okay, maybe Sushmita is explaining you every day about what best way you can find out a natural way. A water therapy or many more natural foods how we can have and get glow on your face. तो यह सर ने इतना अच्छी तरह से आपको समझाया. Especially I can say a great thanks to sir because he has come and accepted the invitation. Very short notice में हम लोगों ने इनको बताया कि as function as sir said accepted like today's Christmas I can manage my time and I can come anywhere. And the student today they selected for DJ Buddy. A DJ Buddy is what a digital buddies these are at the airport. Every platform at the airport is digitalized now. Okay, तो यहाँ पे process कैसे है? The gates will not open until the digital boarding pass is scanned. Okay, वहाँ पे digital जो computerized लोग हैं जिसको जानकारी है उनको जब तक वो scan नहीं करेंगे boarding pass passenger अंदर नहीं जा सकता. And these people will be trained for this process. Person just standing, he'll be scanned completely and allowed inside. तो ये लोग उनका काम है करना वहाँ पे एयरपोर्ट पे. It's not very heavy work. There will be 24/7 in the airport. They have to work. They have to work as a CSA, customer service associates at the airport. And the first job And I know after 3 to 6 months, these people will be in the very higher profile, because the basic experience what you're going to get over there is wonderful experience, and with that you can make your identity at the airport. Every airline people will come to know across what is your work and how dedicatingly you are working, and you get a lot of offers. Only dedicate yourself. Don't do any mischievous over there. That will definitely going to hit on your career. So always whatever good culture we are fitted in you, whatever good qualities we are added in you, follow those qualities. तो वहाँ पे ऐसे नहीं कि सर नहीं कोई पूछने वाला नहीं, चलो मस्ती करते हैं, कुछ भी करते हैं, क्योंकि at this age 18, 19, 20 आपका मस्ती का एज है, ये भी मैं जानता हूँ, लेकिन उसका करियर का भी एज है. इस एज में आप जितना सेटल हो जाओगे, आगे की फ्यूचर बहुत ब्यूटीफुल हो जाएगी आप लोगों की. एंड दैट इज व्हाट पेरेंट्स को भी वही चिंता रहती है हमेशा. इतने कम उम्र में बच्चे बैंगलोर में जा रहे हैं, जॉब करने जा रहे हैं, वो कैसे करेंगे. घर पे अभी रेहान की मम्मी सर मैं इतना उठाती हूँ, उसको जल्दी उठता ही नहीं, कितना ये करते हैं हम लोग सर, फोर्स करते हैं. तो वहाँ पे कोई उठाने वाला नहीं. आपको ड्यूटी जाना है 4 o'clock, मीन्स यू टू वेक अप योरसेल्फ, अलार्म लगाओ, उठो, तैयारी करके जाओ, नहीं तो हर दिन का सैलरी डिडक्ट हो जाएगा. सो यू हैव टू बी सीरियस लिटिल ऑन योर वर्क. Okay, and this thing what you taught here in the academy, same thing is there, like, okay, your boarding pass process, maybe boarding process, maybe boarding pass issuing. Okay, you will be allowed in all the areas of airport, almost 6 areas of airport, maybe in the immigration, maybe in the check-in, maybe in the ramp side. So you have to be very cautious and dedicatingly working on this profile, because luckily you got this profile, and at least you got entry at the airport. That is what you must have seen Bangalore International Airport in picture and videos. But practically when you go there, the people, the environment, the celebrities, the things, this is what you friends, you people came in the class, you all students came gathered. आप अलग अलग लोकेशन से थे, अलग अलग जगह से थे, अलग अलग गांव से थे, फिर भी यहाँ पे आके आप लोगों ने एक अच्छा बॉन्डिंग किया. आप लोग ओडिसी के लिए जाते थे, then there also late night 3 o'clock आपका काम खत्म होता था. पेरेंट्स मुझे कॉल करते थे. The thing is what you understood what is work now, and work is worship. Always remember the way you work. Okay, like that you will grow in your life in future. So your sir has given you a lot of knowledge. So Shravani is one of the dedicated students of this academy. She worked very hard. She won recently in Marriott Hotel. We had ramp walk function there, that she has participated. I never knew that Shravani can go for a ramp walk, and Kiran has trained her very well. You all were looking fabulous on that day. I got a lot of appreciation. Next about Nikhil, as all the time grammatical problem in the class. Okay, I should teach some words, but again next day the problem is to come. What was it? Sometime I came in the class. That you teached me yesterday. Okay. Okay. I saw it. Okay, like that. No problem. He understood now how to communicate. He spoke very well today. I am very happy for that. Okay, keep the same spirit. Okay, and make your name wherever you are going. And second next about Purvi. Purvi is a very dedicated. Convince parents that don't worry, we have people here, they will take care of her. Okay. So every problem, every woman has to face a lot of medical problem, I can understand. But though also you have to be strong enough to handle the situations and come up in your life. Always think optimistic wherever you are going. And she has gone through so many things, so many pains during her training. Parents पे आते थे, मिलते थे, मिलके, because I can see your father is very dedicated to you, a beloved father, and lot of dedication. So यही प्यार आपको देना है in future उनको. Okay, as he is very happy you got job, and the same with this reward you have to help your parents in coming days, and you will do it, I know. Right? So God bless you with lot of success in coming days, and follow the same whatever you have an idea. Right? Yes. Rehan, a boy, all the time CC in the class. Confused customer, he was in the class all the time. Last day उसने confusion create किया घर पे. So वो retail का job है ना CC बोल के. तो मैं बोला That was airport job, but you said a retail job, and some confusion was there. So always listen carefully. The activity was done, no? Listen carefully and then speak confidently. You need to be a good listener all the time. So where you are going for a job now, there you need to listen everyone properly and convey positive message. Otherwise, Rehan has a very decent boy all the time. Very decent means very decent boy is in the class. All the time, if somebody scolds him something, तो कभी वो गुस्सा नहीं करेगा. Always like चुपचाप बैठेगा. बाद में वो खुद के साथ ही बातें करते बैठेगा बाद में. Like that he was. Okay, now we improved a lot, and with this improvement, you got selected today. Congratulations to you once again. You will grow more. Next, we have Om Gowdi, a student from father and parents are from a very poor background and a very small background. He has come here, and parents were decided for a 6-month course, and later on they decided with Prakash motivation for 1 year. No problem. His father all the time used to come, sir, आम्ही अशी परिस्थिती आहे तरी पण मुलाला शिकवतोय सर, माझ्या मुलग्याकडे लक्ष द्या, like all the time used to that. And this boy is, being from Marathi medium, he was introducing well in the class all the time because he was dedicating himself every day. And he has that fear that I should do something. Because घर की जो हालात थे उसको करना था, आगे कुछ improve करके दिखाना था. He has followed everything, even for married internship for 1 month. He is the guy who raised his hand first and says, sir, I will go for that. And with that they got a lot of experience. Okay, world level experience you got. And that experience is going to help you in coming life. You got certificate also for that. Right. So Om has followed everything. I can see your parents, how much they were concerned about you, and still your mother, and how much you love your mother. That also it has been shown here in front of us. So keep the same love, keep the same spirit coming days. Congratulations to you once again. Yeah. Now Akash Kamble जो ज्वाइन किया था 1920 बैच था उसका. Okay, he is a batchmate of Tanuja, Tanuja Kamble. So these people has had lot of fun during COVID period. Online classes होते थे, वो क्लास बोल के कहीं जाके आते थे घूम के, फिर पेरेंट्स को कुछ और बोलते थे. So पेरेंट्स मुझे कॉल करते सर सही क्लास था क्या उसका बोल के. But he never argued, he accepted all his mistakes all the time. जो भी गलती करता था बोलता था कि yes sir, I did it finally. And acceptance is the great achievement, I'm telling you. Always accept and just continue, try to improve on it. Don't find substitute, but try to improve on it. Okay, and that you deserve it. He followed each and every class, every mentor. Though he missed a class, but he is trying recovering. Though he is a diploma candidate. Okay, and you have very beautiful future as a father and mother all the time. ಯಾವಾಗಾದ್ರೂ ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಮಗ ಸೆಟಲ್ ಆಗಲಿ, ಯಾವಾಗ ಕಾಣ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಕಿ ಹುಡುಗರೆಲ್ಲ ಸೆಟಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಇವನು ಯಾವಾಗ ಸೆಟಲ್ ಆಗ ಬಿಗ್ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ. ಈಗ ಅವ್ನ ಕರಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಭಾಳ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಯು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಮಿಸ್ ದ ಪ್ಯಾರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಹೇವ್ ವೆಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಶೋ ದೆಮ್ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್. Right? As the name shows, Akash, word is completely below the sky. Right? And sky is the limit for you. Right? Congratulations, Akash. Okay. And lastly, Chota Pack Bada Dhamaka. Sairaj has joined before 3 months. 3 months? 3rd month? 2 months. And recently the opportunity has come for UK 27 hotel to work as a CSA and hostess. So he is a person, I don't know from where he has got that idea that I should start my career somewhere. उसको बोला ऑनलाइन कोर्स करेगा कि जो बचा हुआ कोर्स कैसे करेगा. He said online I'll continue and he will do it because he will be in Belgaum. With 3 months or 6 months of experience working with Marriott, definitely he will easily he can enter into aviation industry. And parents भी बहुत खुश है. करियर स्टार्ट हो गया 3-4 महीने में इसका, 2-3 महीने में इसका करियर स्टार्ट हो गया. He will work hard, definitely he will win over his entire problems whatever he had. Work hard, have good food because 5-star hotel is going to provide you very delicious food every day. Okay, increase your weight. Okay, so congratulations Sairaj. Okay, so तो साइराज के बैच के जितने भी बच्चे हैं, तो साइराज को आज यहाँ पे डायस पे देखे खुश हुए होंगे आज, राइट? ऑल आर हैप्पी, नो?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is what the career start. You people, the students come here, and I promise you one thing: we make men out of children. Okay. We make men out of children. You all made it. It made it possible. Okay. अब बच्चे थे और हम लोगों को आपको मेन बना दिया, मतलब एक पॉसिबल चाइल्ड बना दिया, मैच्योर्ड बना दिया कि आप किसी भी से.
Hello, welcome. This is Rayan Taligoti, the student of Aptech Aviation. So I have cleared my pre-university from Batish PU College of Arts, Commerce and Science, which is situated at Old PB Road, Belgaum. And I am from Ujjwal Nagar, first cross, plot number 15, Belgaum. So my personal strength are I am an optimistic and enthusiastic person, and I have positive approach to handle any situation. So my ambition is to become a successful person in this aviation industry as well as my life. And now talking about today's, I got recruited in Bangalore International Airport. That is a post of CSA. So today I am very happy that I am glad to speak about that. So the first day in Aptech, I want to share my journey. So the first day in Aptech was, we can say, it was totally absolutely. But looking at the ambience over here, I got totally amazed. So the Aptech has given me the changes to adopt some changes. So Aptech has given me a lot of opportunities to showcase my talent, and even I have awarded with the title of Mr. Fresher as well as Mr. Aptech. So in coming future, this is just my first life as I'm working as a CSA in Bangalore International Airport. So this is just the first step that I have entered in this aviation industry. Hope I will grow more better in this industry, and my aim is to become a cabin crew. That's my personal aim. That I have just entered this industry because I have craze about aircrafts, and we can say I love to talk with people. So thank you for spending your precious time for watching this video, and from best regards from me. And I want to thank everyone, and I have to suggest to join Aptech Aviation Institute and grow to have a better growth in your career. Thank you.
Hello guys, this is Purvi Naik, the student of Aptech Aviation and Hospitality Academy, Belgaum. So today I have been recruited in a DG Buddy as a CSE, Customer Service Executive in Bangalore International Airport. So guys, if you want to make your career, please join this industry. Have a great day.
Hi guys, my name is Shravani Dalal. I am from Khanapur. I have completed my schooling from Swami Vivekananda English Medium School, Khanapur, and I have completed my PUC from KLPU College, Khanapur. And I pursued my professional qualification, that is AC PAMCC course in Aptech Aviation and Hospitality Academy, Belgaum. And I have recruited for the hostess in F&B department in the well-known brand that is UK27 The Fun. And I thank Mr. Vinod Bamne sir for giving me such a beautiful opportunity to work as a hostess in UK27 The Fun, which is a 5-star hotel. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Akash Kamble and I am from Khasbagh, Belgaum. I completed schooling from Gomtesh High School. After that, I completed a diploma course in mechatronics, Shindoli, Belgaum. After diploma completion, I didn't know what I do in my career, and I suddenly get a knowledge about aviation, where I learned in YouTube, and I searched where is a good academy in this Belgaum, and I got such a wonderful good academy in this Belgaum, that is Aptech Aviation Academy. And in this academy I build a knowledge. Firstly, I don't know communication also, and I build here communication skills and how operations will done in airport aviation operations. And I learn lot of things, ramp management and grooming skills also. And our respected MD Vinod Bhamne sir, he one of the main Aptech pillar. He supported me always, and it is one of the main platform to build my career. Recently, now I selected in DG Buddy, where Bangalore International Airport, as a customer service executive I selected. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Om Gauri and I am from Belgaum. So I have joined this Aptech in July 2021 and here I learned many things like grooming and how to communicate with people, how to interact with people, and I learned many things here. And also I would like to say thank you to our MD for giving us nice opportunity, and I have recruited in Bangalore as a GD Buddy and CSA department. And also I'd like to say thank you to all faculty members like staff, our ma'am and all. So thank you, and please do visit in Aptech.
Hello everyone, myself Nikhil Nilakare and I am from Katkol, which is near Ramdur Taluk, Belgaum district. And today I was very happy because I recruited as a CSC in Bangalore International Airport. Before 6 months I had joined Aptech Aviation and Hospitality Academy, and now I had recruited in 6 months. And today was a very happy moment to me and my parents. It was a great moment. Really, I would like to thank Mr. Vinod Bamne sir, who is the MD of an Aptech Aviation and Hospitality Academy. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Sairaj Birje. I am from Sambhajinagar, Vadgaon, Belgaum. My SSLC is completed from Precious Blossom High School. Now I currently joined Aptech. Within 2 months, Aptech has given me big opportunity to work in UK 27. The fun. Thank you, Aptech.